Hi Fashionistas, welcome back to my channel. As per the header, you saw that I will be showing you how to use a chain belt 5 ways. How many ways? How many ways do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's 5 ways. This here is a chain belt. It's a Michael Kors chain belt, and I was playing around with it one day and came up with different ways on how to use it. So I decided to film it and show you what I came up with. But before we do that, I want to welcome my new time visitors. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Julie, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And don't forget to press the notification button. This way you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So without any further ado, if you want to know the 5 ways that I came up with in using this chain belt, continue watching. So that is it for today's video. I hope you found these styles helpful. I honestly wanted to have more use on this belt other than just a belt, you know, so I found it very helpful for me, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Honestly, for me, I will wear each and every style that I showed you because I personally like them all. And yeah, so until next time, be good and be blessed.